How to download video from Adobe Express. So first go to Adobe Express and then just open up your project. So for example, this is mine and this is the video that I want to download. So in order for you to download this, you can just make sure that you're finished editing it, and then you can just click on download here at the top right. Then make sure your file format is MP4, and then choose your video resolution here. So this I'm going to choose 720, and then you can just click on So as you can see, when I chose 720 here, it says here that I need to be on the plan here on Adobe Express. So if you have a plan, you can immediately just click on any of the resolutions here and then just click on download here. So as for me, I'll just click on custom here and then just click on download. Then it'll begin downloading here. Now you just need to wait. As you can see now, it's been downloaded. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.